Want to keep your deals organized and easy to track in HubSpot? In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to add deal tags in HubSpot so you can manage your sales pipeline smarter, not harder. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a pro tip to make your tags even more powerful. First, let's quickly understand what deal tags are. Tags in HubSpot are labels or keywords that help you categorize and organize your deals. Think of them as color-coded sticky notes for your pipeline. They make it easier to filter, segment, and prioritize deals based on different attributes like hot lead, follow-up required, or high value. To get started, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to your sales dashboard. From the top menu, click on Deals. Here, you'll see your pipeline with all active deals. Now, select the deal you want to tag. Once inside the deal record, look for the section labeled Properties or Tags. Depending on your HubSpot version, this may be found under the left side panel. Click on the Edit or Manage Properties button. If your account already has the tags Property enabled, you'll see a field called Deal Tags. Simply type in your tag name, for example, Urgent or Upsell Opportunity, and hit Save. You can add multiple tags separated by commas or by pressing Enter after each one. But what if you don't see a tags field? That's easy to fix. Go to your HubSpot settings, click Properties under Data Management, and create a new property for deals. Name it Deal Tags. Set the field type to multiple checkboxes or drop-down select, and add your desired tag options. Once saved, go back to your deal, and the tags field will appear for quick selection. From now on, you can filter your deals by tags directly in the pipeline view, making it easier to focus on high-priority opportunities. This is especially helpful for large teams where different reps handle different types of deals. And that's how you add deal tags in HubSpot. By using tags strategically, you'll keep your pipeline clean, organized, and focused on what really matters, closing deals faster. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick HubSpot tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll help you out.